वेलकम टू लाइफ गाइडर। लाइफ गाइडर में आपका स्वागत है। ये करंट अफेयर की एक और सीरीज़ है जिसमें आपको अबव मेंशन डेट्स के अकॉर्डिंग जो भी इम्पोर्टेंट इवेंट्स हुए हैं जिससे क्वेश्चन पूछे जा सकते हैं आपके एसएससी, यूपीएससी, रेलवे और इसके तरह अदर कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्ज़ाम्स में, उसके बारे में आज हम लोग डिस्कस करेंगे। तो चलिए लेट्स स्टार्ट।
Question number 1. Which institute has developed technologies and products, namely disinfection walkways and road sanitizer unit, which can help to counter the menacing coronavirus? Correct answer is option number B, CSIR CMERI. CMERI full form is Central Mechanical Engineering Research Institute. Central Mechanical Engineering Research Institute has developed technologies and products, namely disinfection walkways and road sanitizer unit. The technologies can help to counter the menacing coronavirus. Next question. The Haryana state government has set up a 24/7 toll-free helpline facility for procurement during Rabi session 2020 and also ensuring social distancing norms. Who is Agriculture and Farmers Welfare of Haryana? Correct answer is option number D, Jai Prakash Dalal. Next question. Data released by the Government of India stated that India's fiscal deficit stood at how much percent of gross domestic product in February 2020? Correct answer is option number B, 5.07%. Data released by the Government of India stated that India's fiscal deficit stood at 5.07% of GDP in February 2020. Next question. UK Prime Minister has been shifted to a ward after spending almost 4 days in the intensive care unit. What is the name of Prime Minister of UK? The correct answer is option number A, Boris Johnson. UK Prime Minister Boris Johnson has been shifted to a ward after spending almost 4 days in the ICU. Next question. G20 countries are to hold a meeting to discuss the way forward in supporting the economy after the COVID-19 pandemic on 15 April. Where is the headquarters of G20 group? Correct answer is option number B, Cancun, Mexico. Next question. India exported 5 tons of cargo of medicine including anti-malarial drug hydroxychloroquine to which of the following country on 10 April 2020? The correct answer is option number A, Israel. India exported 5 tons of cargo of medicine including anti-malarial drug hydroxychloroquine to Israel. The shipment included ingredients for drugs chloroquine and hydroxychloroquine. The drugs were exported to Israel as the country requested the supply of hydroxychloroquine, with India being the world's largest producer and exporter of the drug. Next question. The Indian Council of Medical Research validated which machine for COVID-19 screening test? The correct answer is option number B, tuberculosis testing machine. The ICMR validated the Turent Beta CoV test, a tuberculosis testing machine for COVID-19 screening test. The ICMR had updated its testing strategy for COVID-19. Next question. Which of the following state government launched Operation Shield in 21 containment zones in the state? The correct answer is option number C, Delhi. The Delhi government launched Operation Shield in 21 containment zones in the state. The announcement was made by the Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal. Next question. The COVID-19 Pandemic has made the ubiquitous gamusa, a decorative cotton towel, evolve from memento to mask. The gamusa is an article of significance for the people of which state? The correct answer is option number B, Assam. Next question. Ramakrishna Dwivedi was passed away on 10th April. He died at the age of 87 years old due to prolonged illness. He was a famous. The correct answer is option number C, politician. Next question. Government of India has approved the proposal for a grant of ex gratia monetary compensation to 108,714 employees and officers of the Food Corporation of India. Where is the headquarters of FCI? The correct answer is New Delhi, India. Next question. China has unveiled a new trial protocol for retesting the recovered coronavirus patient. China city Wuhan was under lockdown of how many days due to COVID-19? The correct answer is option number C, 76 days. Next question. Which online retailer company is building a lab that will enable it to test employees for the COVID-19 virus? Next question. Correct answer is option number D, Amazon. Next question. Which institute has developed a very low-cost personal protective equipment which can be manufactured for less than rupees 100? The correct answer is option number B, IIT Kanpur. IIT Kanpur has developed a very low-cost personal protective equipment which can be manufactured for less than rupees 100. The demand for personal protective equipment has risen sharply with the increase in the number of coronavirus cases across the nation. Next question. Asian Development Bank has announced that is to fund how much money to support India in its fight against the COVID-19 pandemic? The correct answer is option number A, $2.2 billion. Next question. India has announced that is to export around 1 lakh tons of wheat to which of the following countries under the government-to-government arrangement? The correct answer is option number D, Afghanistan and Lebanon. India has announced that it is to export around 1 lakh tons of wheat to Afghanistan and Lebanon under the government-to-government arrangement. India is expecting a record wheat production of 106.21 million tons in 2020 against 2.61 million tons more than 2019 output. Next question. Researchers from which institute have made computer-based design of nanomaterials with super high that can be the building blocks of futuristic nanoelectronics for many applications like ultra next generation nanotransistors? The correct answer is option number C, IIT Delhi. Next question. ICMR has released a new strategy for COVID-19 testing in India hotspots cluster large migration gathering or evacuation center. When was ICMR formed? The correct answer is option number C, 1911. ICMR has released a new strategy for COVID-19 testing in India hotspot cluster large migration gatherings or evacuation centers. The new strategy for COVID-19 testing provided by ICMR includes all symptomatic individuals who have undertaken international travel in the last 14 days and all symptomatic contacts of laboratory confirmed cases. ICMR was formed on 1911 and headquarters is in New Delhi. Next question. Union Minister for Human Resource Development Shri Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank has launched which of the following campaign on 10 April in New Delhi for crowdsourcing of ideas for improving the online education ecosystem of India? The correct answer is option number A, Bharat Padhe Online? Which state government has announced that it is to double the salary of doctors, nurses, and other medical professionals dealing with COVID-19 patients? The correct answer is option number A, Haryana.
So thank you very much. Keep learning and meet you next time with some more important questions of current affairs.